start the video?
Mm-hmm. Keeps going out of focus. That bugger, he's making it go fast now, making me chase him.
Whoa. Good thing he pulled out of that one. Jeez, that's scary. He went like straight up and then straight down. This is like our own little fly-in, you know?
Yeah.
All little airport. There you go. The only thing that you need is this little blacktop strip back there.
Yeah. That control tower.
Just big enough for a small person. Bob.
That's me. Oh, well, he can get a little annoying.
He called, by the way.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Bob? Bob.
I'm curious to see how this is going to